Hello, my name is Raul Maldonado. And currently I want to discuss in this video about my upcoming plan on becoming a data analyst and, in the long run, becoming a data scientist. This plan will initiate in April 2017. Right now it's March 2017, and it's going to span 6 months. So from April to October, and hopes to capture this goal of becoming a data analyst, that being entry level, proficient, whatever, anything in that range. That would be my guarantee. And I would like to discuss this roadmap in somewhat of a summarization kind of detail. So in March, I require myself to learn SQL as much as I can, particularly MySQL. And that's just going through coding examples online through different sites, and then learning Git and getting a good handle on how to fork, push, and pull projects, repositories from my local computer to the remote repository. And then along that, I hope to teach myself probability and go beyond the extension of just the undergraduate probability material that one would particularly be exposed to within the mathematics field like I had. In April, I will continue that probability coursework in hopes to get a good mastery of it. And alongside that, just getting an advanced level, an advanced skill set within Python, and then debating on whether using just the graphics user interface, like a Jupyter Notebook, or just going straight on the computer through a terminal. That is still, those details are still being looked at. And then from there, I would want to get a good grasp of like graduate level linear regression, or regression, both linear and non-linear, of course. And with all these concepts I'm talking about right now, I'm hoping to also build projects to indicate and enhance the educational experience I will embark. And from May till I'd say July, I'll be getting more of a grasp in applying these concepts into projects, and then going forth in doing machine learning like concepts, basically just forecasting everything like that. And hopefully by the end of summer, I'd say June or July, I will be applying to jobs, but also getting some type of experience within deep learning. And then as I'm advancing myself towards the end of the summer, like I previously mentioned, I'll be applying to jobs, but also rigorously practicing for interviews, just networking as best as I could, as best as I can. Now, the reason why I would like to display this is for to both be alongside with my blog that I will post, but also just give just to let other data scientists or enthusiasts just see how a progression like myself would go about from the beginning up until the end. There are other people that have done this kind of journey through social media, have displayed this journey through social media, but have they done it through vlogs? No, not quite. Yes, maybe I've not encountered that. Maybe one good example of a person doing that, but mainly doing it through social media, would be I forgot her name. I think it was Rachel from Becoming a Data Scientist. And with her, she not only indicated through social media like how everything went throughout the course of learning anything within the data science field, but also reaching out to other individuals like herself, and then creating a sub communities within her within her journey, such as a learning club. So that's just an example, but going back onto the main topic, have any of these data scientists displayed their journey through vlogs? No. Will I continue to to consistently do this? I am not sure. However, this alongside with my blog hopefully fills all the gaps are filled, and whoever is interested in data science in the future would understand how to do it and fill in those gaps through the social media applications that I'm using or resources that I'm using. So that is pretty much my plan for the next 6 months. I understand that it would be a hard journey, and usually you'd have to multiply this journey, this estimated time times 2 to really indicate how good or how to estimate the real time that I would actually accomplish this goal. But I'm pretty sure I don't have to multiply this by a factor of 2, and I can complete this journey in 6 months or less, which is what I hope. Just a little background. It's been a year as of today since I came out of college. I've gone through a lot, done a lot of research, become tired of not using my analytic skills, and just hope I can just implement that through non-profit organizations or just the financial sector or even through social media. I do like trends, yeah, and of course I'm hopping on this trend of data science, as some of you know. Anyways, my name is Raul Maldonado. Hopefully you get to see more videos.